The Universal Windows Direct Guide to Cleaning and Maintaining Your Windows, the Slider Window. Slider windows from Universal Windows Direct are easy to clean and require minimal maintenance. To clean your slider window, remove the sash by sliding the window open about 10 inches and grasping it on both sides. Lift the window up and tilt the bottom of the window in until it is free from the slider track before removing the sash. Universal Windows Direct recommends Goof-Off Wipes and Mr. Clean Magic Eraser to clean the vinyl frames, and Sprayway Glass Cleaner and most other standard cleaning products are great for the glass. At this point in time, you can start cleaning your window. Along with wiping the entire window down, be sure to clean the window track area, keeping it free of debris. Be sure to check out our other videos for tips on how to operate, clean, and maintain your windows from Universal Windows Direct. If you have any questions about the operation of your window, contact Universal Windows Direct at 800-984-5846.